Hey guys, this is Bea, and today we're going to go through the August Wilderness packing list. First, we're going to start with shoes. Every student needs a pair of hiking boots that are preferably a little bit broken in, so maybe try to get them sooner rather than later. Everyone's also going to need one pair of camp shoes. These can be anything, sneakers, Crocs, whatever, as long as it's closed-toed and pretty secure on your foot. And then also, we recommend everyone has 3 to 4 pairs of wool socks. We only want wool so that our feet stay warm and dry. Now we're gonna go through our upper body layers. To start, we need one quick drying t-shirt, 1 to 2 primary layers that are also quick drying. Here's my second. We're gonna have one secondary layer, fleece or wool blend, and then one top layer, a puffy jacket or something insulated and super warm. Then we're gonna have our rain jacket, and we'll have a warm hat and a sun hat and a pair of gloves. Okay, now we're gonna go over our bottom layer. First, you wanna have 2 to 3 pairs of underwear, and then we're gonna have a pair of shorts. These are more optional, but if you want, you can bring them. We're then gonna have our trail pants. These you'll probably be wearing every day. Nice and breathable, stretchy, comfortable. Then we're gonna have our primary layer, so a pair of like thermal leggings or nice, warmer, tighter pants. And then a secondary layer, so maybe wool or some quick drying that's thermal and warm. And then finally on top, we'll have a pair of rain/wind pants to keep us dry. Everyone will get their own personal sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and 70-liter Osprey backpack. We recommend you use our backpack because it will optimize space and storage. Make sure to go through the whole packing list that's linked on the application site, and if you don't have any of the gear, try to go secondhand first or borrow from a friend, but we are all so excited to see you in August.